So this is a year-long project that allows students the opportunity to interact with the community and make a local impact through addressing the Sustainable Development Goals. My project addresses Sustainable Development Goal number 3, good health and well-being, and we have done so by attending an elementary school and hosting activities for health and well-being, where children are made aware of the importance of being healthy, healthy habits, and mental health. So this project is very hands-on. We have done civic immersions and civic actions. What I personally loved about it was seeing how our group and our project has had an impact in the community and the people. We were able to see tangible results from our work, which was very nice and very heartwarming.